This is how you get restaurant-style crispy chow mein without deep frying, and it comes down to one single technique. Combine deveined shrimp with salt and mix until it's slightly sticky. Add white pepper, cornstarch, and oil. Mix until evenly coated. Let's make the sauce. Mix together soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, and chicken stock. In a small bowl, mix cornstarch with water to form a slurry. We mix this ahead so everything cooks fast later. We're going to make crispy noodles. This is where the magic happens. This is the chow mein noodles we're using. You can also replace them with ramen, wheat noodles, or linguine. In a pot of boiling water, over high heat, blanch the noodles for about 2 minutes. Immediately rinse in cold water to stop cooking. Then drain. Sprinkle with cornstarch and toss lightly to coat. This is one of the secrets. This helps absorb moisture and lightly bind the noodles so they crisp up evenly, and you can also flip them super easily. In a wok over medium-high heat, add 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut. Spread the noodles out evenly and let some of the moisture cook soft first. Once they settle, let the bottom set. Gently rotate the noodles so they brown evenly. Pan fry for about 3 minutes until golden and crispy. Flip and look at that golden crust. Pan fry the other side for another 3 minutes until crispy. Restaurants usually deep fry the noodles. This is the technique I use at home, and this is how you can get that crispy chow mein. Transfer to a serving plate. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the shrimp. Stir fry for about 1 minute until they turn pink. Don't overcook. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add snow peas and beach mushrooms. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Add ginger and garlic. Stir fry for another 10 seconds. Pour in the sauce and bring it to a simmer. Stir the slurry again. Then slowly pour it in. Give it a good stir and watch it thicken. Return the shrimp and toss to coat for about 30 seconds. Pour everything over the crispy noodles. Golden crispy noodles on the bottom, soaky shrimp and sauce on top. This is so special. To make it a complete meal, you can pair with my egg drop soup or cucumber salad. Which bite do you love more, the crispy noodles or the saucy ones? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow for more. And if you want more foolproof dishes, check out my cookbook. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.